Naalala ko nung nangyari sa akin to noon eh. Remember when I got pregnant by Eric? I was so scared. I couldn't tell Dad kasi alam kong magagalit siya. So I didn't have the courage to tell him the truth. And ayoko din kasing masaktan ng papa. Pero kung iisipin ko, nagkulang ba si papa sa akin? Hindi. Nagkamali ba siya ng pagpapalaki sa akin? Hindi rin. Everything that happened was my decision. Kaya kung meron man akong pagsisisihan, yun yung nung iniwan ko si Justin. Sana hindi mangyari kay Zoe to. Sana maging matapang siya at panindigan niya ang pagiging isang ina. At sana maging mabuting ina siya. Huwag niya akong gayahin na naging masamang ina kay Justin. Alam mo, Meg, hanggang ngayon, pinagsisisihan ko pa rin yun. Pero wala akong magawa. Kaya please, don't leave Zoe. Make her feel na kahit na nagkamali siya, that you're there for her. Huwag mong isipin na kasalanan mo. Huwag mong isipin na dapat sisihin mo ang sarili mo. Whatever happened is Zoe's decision. All you have to do is to be there for her. Accept her.
Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko kay Zoe, ate.
Talk to her with a conversation that should have happened katulad nung sa amin ni Papa noon. An open conversation. A conversation full of understanding and support. Her feel na kahit na nagkamali siya, you're willing to understand her. You're willing to accept her, provided she stops keeping secrets from you. Beng, huwag mo hayaang lumayo ang loob niya sa'yo. Katulad ng nangyari sa amin ni Papa noon. I don't want that to happen to you and Zoe. Kasi tingnan mo nangyari sa amin ni Papa. Tingnan mo nangyari sa relasyon naming mag-ina. Sana hindi ako gayahin ni Zoe. I don't want that to happen to both of you.
Maraming salamat, ate. Thank you for enlightening me with your knowledge and wisdom. I'm so blessed to have an ate like you.
Sino pa bang magtutulungan? Hindi tayong dalawa. Yung dalawa na lang naman ang natitira eh.